words to describe Mr. Kevin are unique,
he's respectful,
kind, encouraging, and nice. Brave, friendly, telepathic, happy, and good.
Hi, Miss Green. How are you? Awesome. Honestly, I watch my cousins, my aunts cook on Saturdays. You know, they used to have car parties, things of that nature. And then when I got older, I went to culinary art school, and that's where the fire got started. I'm the cafeteria manager here at Payne Elementary School. I like to be the first one here in the morning. This morning, I am setting up for breakfast.
Kevin's very student-centered. That's what I like the most about him. He cares about kids.
Thank you. Enjoy your breakfast. Good morning.
He is committed to ensuring that the 500+ kids here at Payne Elementary have everything that they need in the area of nutrition and diet.
We provide breakfast, lunch, and suppers. To be a cafeteria manager and sit and watch kids coming to eat what you present to them, it's amazing. Good morning, good morning, good morning. A lot of these students are homeless, and the shelter is like maybe 5 blocks down from here. You never know what that child is going through. We have children that are mentally challenged. We have children that are deaf. We have children that have sugar diabetes. Healthy and nutritional meals are very important for these children so they can be able to go and learn, so they can be productive in this world and be somebody. Classroom number? There was a low enrollment of kids that were eating the food here. And we had to go the extra mile to do something engaging to get the kids to want to come in to eat it. I have to go the extra mile for that. I love doing what I'm doing.
He gives kids birthday wishes. He knows their families. He's real. And the type of kids that we serve, they can tell if you're real with them or not.
I feel like he's one of our friends. He's nice to everybody in the school. If you fall, he'll help you get up, talk to you if you're sad.
The motto of Sodexo Magic is, we are the communities we serve. It's really the hallmark of our mission.
We are a community that we have to give back. When they have outside events, baseball, soccer, I'm out there with them. I just try to build a relationship that they will remember someone in their life as they grew up positive.
Everybody, do we have a great lunch?
Yes!
Tell us some of the things that Mr. Kevin does for us in the cafeteria.
Thank you for making sure that we all eat and make sure that we're all joyful in the morning.
I love you so much. You're like my favorite lunch manager in the world.
Thank you, Mr. Kevin, for giving us vegetables and fruit. Thank you so much to have our appetite, and thank you so much that we can learn from you.
Kevin's legacy will live on at Payne Elementary School.
I want them to know that someone cared about them as they cross over to another journey of middle school, and they will never forget it. And that's one thing I want before I leave here, that I made a mark here, a good impact, not nothing bad.